This is Abdul Mannan from Section A, roll number 18B015EE. Today my topic of presentation is types of statistical graphs and charts. There are several types of graphs and charts. The choice depends on the type of data collected and the information you want to transmit. Each has a set of advantages and disadvantages. The following presentation summarizes the main type of graphs and charts available. The knowledge of each one of them is fundamental for correct reading of the information they contain. Bar graph. The height of the bar shows the frequency. The bars can be vertical or horizontal. There is an empty space between the bars. Advantages of bar graphs. Bar graphs allows you to easily compare. It has a strong visual impact. Disadvantages. It can only be used to convey simple information. Second type, group bar graph. For each value of the variable, a group of bar appears. Advantages of group bar graph. Group bar graph lets you compare different data groups for the same values of the variable. Disadvantages, it cannot be used for variables that have a lot of data. Third type, line graph. They are formed by lines. On the horizontal axis is the time variable. Advantages of line graph. Line graphs allows for various types of comparisons. It allows studying the variation of a variable over time. Disadvantages of line graph. It does not easily identify the continuity of the variation. Stem and leaves plot. The data are divided into two parts, the stem and the leaves. The stem is on the left side of the vertical trace and the leaves on the right side. Advantages of stems and leaves plot. All data appears on the chart. It is not necessary to build a frequency table. It gives a visual interpretation of how the data is distributed. Disadvantages of stem and leaves plot. It is not advisable when there are many or few stems. It gives little information in case the data is very scattered. Pie chart or circle graph. A circle is divided into sectors. The amplitude of each sector is proportional to corresponding frequency. Advantages of pie chart. It is useful when the ratios analysis is more important than the actual value. It has a strong visual impact. Disadvantages of pie chart. It should only be used when the variables takes few values. A single chart does not allow you to compare two groups of data. Histogram. It is a bar graph in which the height of these bars is proportional to the frequency. There is no space between bars. It is only used if the variable is quantitative and the scale of the values is continuous. Advantages of histogram. For certain situations, it is the only correct way to present the data. The histogram gives an idea of how the data is distributed. Disadvantages of histogram. It is difficult to construct when the amplitude of the intervals is different. However, with graphing calculators or computers, this problem is overcome. Frequency polygons. It is a line graph that is obtained by joining the midpoints of the upper base of the rectangles of the histogram. Advantages. Polygons lets you compare histograms using only the respective frequency polygons. Disadvantages. It is difficult manual construction using technology. This problem is overcome. The last type of graph is pictograph. The data are represented by symbols related to the object under study. Advantages of pictograph. Very attractive, great visual impact. Disadvantages of pictograph. Give little information, little precision.